Is your bathroom looking tired because of dirty or faded tiles? With just a few easy hacks, you can make them look fresh and spotless again without breaking the bank. Welcome back. In this video, we'll go over practical and affordable ways to clean, protect, and even upgrade your bathroom tiles. Whether you're dealing with grime, dullness, or simply want a quick style change, these hacks will help you get results fast. Definition: bathroom tiles are durable surfaces designed to resist water and stains. But constant exposure to soap, moisture, and dirt makes them lose their shine over time. The good news is you don't need expensive solutions to restore them. Step-by-step practical guide. Step 1. Mix baking soda and water into a paste. Apply it to grout lines and scrub with a toothbrush. Step 2. Spray a vinegar and water solution on tiles to dissolve soap scum. Then wipe with a microfiber cloth. Step 3. For stubborn stains, dab hydrogen peroxide directly on the grout and leave it for 10 minutes before rinsing. Step 4. If you want a fresh look, use peel and stick decals. They're waterproof, easy to apply, and instantly upgrade your bathroom style. Step 5. Seal the grout after cleaning to prevent future mold and stains. Tools explained. You'll need baking soda, vinegar, hydrogen peroxide, a spray bottle, microfiber cloths, a grout brush or old toothbrush, and optional peel and stick decals. Quick tips: always ventilate the bathroom while cleaning. Rinse tiles with warm water after applying solutions. And for extra shine, polish with a dry microfiber cloth at the end. Cost comparison: a professional tile cleaning service can cost anywhere from $100 to $200 for a small bathroom. Doing it yourself costs less than $15 with household items. Adding peel and stick decals usually ranges between $20 and $50, depending on the design. Mini workflow: scrub grout gives spray, and wipe tiles gives treat stains gives add decals gives seal grout. Professional notes: if your tiles are natural stone, skip vinegar and lemon because they can damage the surface. Use a pH-neutral cleaner instead. Regular weekly maintenance prevents dirt from becoming permanent. So with just a few everyday supplies and a little effort, you can bring back the shine, protect your tiles, and even give your bathroom a brand new look. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, subscribe for more practical home hacks, and share it with someone who wants a bathroom upgrade without the high costs.